Oh my gosh, like Nina Argenti got angst, man.
Bakit kaya? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin pa.
Never enough, never. Ewan ko sa'yo, Coach Dab. But anyway, Nevin, oh my gosh, yung boses niya napaka-inosente.
Pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan.
It's so orgasmic. Ang raw lang ng boses niya, you know, walang halong kieme kung ano-ano pang drama. Talagang as is lang.
Ang buhay mo at ang ipinupulong
Suwabe.
ng iyong puso.
Natutulog ba ang Diyos?
And then towards the build-up na, ayun, like, tumaas na. And it was interestingly amazing. Andun pa rin yung pagka raw ng boses niya on that high note. And of course, I like the vibrato.
Hinihintay ka lang, kaibigan.
And then, nung pumunta na sa peak, oh my gosh, ang ganda ng ginawa niya. Yung dynamics, yung placement ng voice switches, hanggang sa falsetto sa huli, and then vibrato pa. Like, that's something.
Ako sana akalain na totoo kang Diyos.
And that's the reason why Coach Pablo talaga hinabol niya yung pag-press niya ng buzzer, ng button and whatnot.
Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga.
And apparently, Coach Pablo did win. And congratulations, Coach Pablo. And let's hope for the best for Nevin.
Sa kanya
Between them.
Never enough. What you think? Comment down below. And follow me for more.
lumulutang nasasayang.